Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to present our managerial accounting project proposal. First of all, my name is Muhammad Fatuhun Naim bin Andri Kasuman. My matric number 92000394.
My name is Amir Hakimi Benzulkis. My matrix number is 9200360.
My name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Ahmad Sabri, number matrix 9200390.
My name Muhammad Zaini Arif bin Badali. My matric number 9200393.
My name is Muhammad Aidil Farooq bin Abi Farid. My matric number is 9200407.
So for table of content, we have 4 parts, which is the first one, overview. Second, managerial accounting. Third, financial accounting. And fourth, analysis. For the overview of our and the secretary is I for the managers accounting and finance, Zaini and sales and market slides. And the next one, auditor's name and address. Our auditor's name is Teguh and Matt. And for the secretaries, Osman and Siti. For the office address is Teguh Kim, 20 42700 Banting, Selangor. Next. The first director profile, which is Amirul Hakim bin Ahmad Sabri. He is executive director and his age is 46 years old. He was appointed as director at 11 April of 2012. Second, Muhammad Aidil Farooq bin Adi Farid. He is also executive director. His age is 54 years old. He was appointed as director at 6 November 2011. Third, Dr. Naim bin Andrew Ahmad. He was independent non-executive director. His age is 42. August 2012. Next slide. The next one is Zaini Arif bin Badli. He was independent non-executive director. His age is 56 years old and he was appointed as director at 27 January 2040. Last but not least, our independent non-executive is Amir Hakimi bin Zulkis. His age is 56. Overview of our company's profile. In 1943, Ingvar Kamprad founded Furniture Rozan as a mail order sales business, but began to sell furniture 5 years later. The first store was in 1958 under the name Furniture Rozan. The first store outside Indonesia were opened in Singapore. The store spread to other parts of Europe in the 1970s. That furniture business that Furniture Rozan choose is manufacturing. Manufacturing is the making of goods by hand, by machine, that upon completion, the business sells to a customer. Item used in manufacture may be raw material or component parts of a larger product. The manufacturing usually happen on a large scale production line of machinery and equipment. This company will operate based on factor of business market. Why we selected this business is because to create a better everyday life for the many peoples. This is the Furnace Razor vision. Our business idea is to offer a wide range of well-designed, functional home furnishing product at price so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford them. Our vision also goes beyond home furnishing. We want to create a better everyday for all people impacted by our business. Next slide. Our business will be operated in Bandar Seri Nilai. Our purpose to operate there because the population is huge and we can get more demand, and also we are located near a hotel, and there is a sport complex opposite the hotel. Basically, if there is a hotel, there will many facilities around it for the community to reach in. The major factor of our company choose this location is because the amount of competition in the area are less. This factor allow the productive entity generate more sales or superior margins compared to our market rivals. This business will be profitable because Furnish Royal use the best strategies to apply in the market that will lead to improvement in our operation. Our company will be providing good quality and affordable product to satisfy customer needs and will make them loyal to our company. Customer will always buy our product instead of going to our competitors. Consistent in providing quality services to make this business successful. The importance and effect of our financial decision in business is evident since many of the factors that contribute to failure can be managed properly with financial decision that drive goods and the organization objective. Analyzing financial decision making and its impact on small enterprise competitiveness, a business financial environment is a main factor for the organization success, especially cooperation business is highly efficient in allocating our scarce resources in order to ensure survival and generate profits.
Next, for managerial accounting information, my name is Muhammad Zaini Arif Madili. There are four managerial accounting information. First, type of product manufacturer. Furnish Roselle is one of the leading local retail chains spread across Malaysia. Products offered by Furnish Roselle cover a wide range, and the offerings are in the company's marketing mix. Furnish Roselle sell and manufactures custom furniture based on customer demand and made pure by our skilled and experienced workers. Our company offering can be broadly divided into outdoor furniture, living room furniture, for instance, fabric or leather sofa. Bedroom room furniture like wood or upholstered bed. Apart from this, we also make dining table in so many shapes like round, rectangle or square, bar and counter stools and console table. All this give an overview of all the products and goods which are available for Furnish Roselle stores. 2. Marketing strategy. The furniture will be priced based on customers' demand and customizing which it will start from around RM60 at the lowest price and will be add on base customizing or the types of furniture. Besides, all the materials also which is used in the making of the design of the furniture are very high quality, where we use a quality goods and materials which is eco-friendly. It is also guaranteed to be quality and safe to satisfy the need of customers. Thus, our product is well known as consumer product because we aim at the quality furniture that will allow our customer to use the product at its fullest potential. Low price constitute the furniture resolution, business idea and concept. We make low-cost furniture for many purposes, for example, household and offices. It focuses on cost control and efficient operational details. Next slide. Third, place and distribution strategy. Furnish Roselle has a large distribution network. It has huge volumes on manufacturing sites and flat packages. It also takes the initiative by distribution our products to a very place that will be attention of people such as shopping mall or furniture gallery. It's useful in increasing value to weight ratio Furnish Roselle has over 25 plus distribution centers and has business operations in more than 50 countries. Over 9,500 products are sold at Furnish Roselle. Procuring materials in proximity with supply chains to reduce transport costs and using more of ocean transport than road transport. By building DC in proximity the two ports are some strategies adopted by us. Products are transferred from supplies to Furnish Roselle stores directly. Fourth, promotion strategy. Furnish Roselle focus a lot on its marketing activities. We use promotion tools like TV, print, online ads, billboards, etc. etc. in its marketing mix. We also launched a Malaysia-wide advertising campaign which was named Home is the most important place and used signs like not for sale written on them as a part of the campaign. A KTM imitating Furnish Roselle in style was featured in Kedah. Meanwhile, online advertisement promoted Furnish Roselle products, demonstrating the problem faced by people and offering various ways of solutions. Next.
So I will continue. My name is Samira Kimi Benzukis. So for the accounting system use, our company use an accounting system that we apply in our company is job order costing method. This is because we offer customizable table or chair product for customer. Then, with this accounting system method, it helps our company make estimate about the value of materials, labor, and overhead that will be spent while doing that particular job. We use this method to get customer needs and to satisfying their needs. So, for the managerial information, first, which is budget income statement for the year ended December 31, 2021. So, we divide into four quarter. For the quarter one, January and March, and so on. So, for the quarter one, our company budget sales revenue is 2 million ringgit and less by budget cost of goods sold 620,000 and 800 ringgit. So we will get budget gross margin which is 1 million 379,000 and 200 ringgit. So from that we less budget selling and administrative expense which is 450,000 and we will get budget net operating income 929,000 and 200 ringgit. So we apply to the quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 and we total up for the year end. So this is our budget cash balance sheet for the year end December 31, 2021. So for the debit which is asset for the cash quarter 4 ending cash balance 398,000 and 259 ringgit and 80 cent. Then account receivable 454,000 ringgit. Direct material inventory 2,502 ringgit and finished good inventory which is 50,500 and 20,000 ringgit. And for the last one, property, plant and equipment, we assume 2,121,000 and 718 ringgit and 20 cent. So we will get our total asset 3 million. And for the credit, which is liability and stockholder equity, for the liability, our company have account payable 331,000 and 120 ringgit and 80 cent. And for the long term liability, to 2.4 million, and we plus it, and we will get our total liability 2,731,120 ringgit and 80 cent. So for the stockholder equity, 288,879,020 cent, and we plus liability and stockholder equity, we will get 3 million ringgit.
So my name is Muhammad Adi Farouk bin Adi Farid. So the next is financial information, which is cost of good manufactured. So this is the cost of good manufactured report for the end of January. For the direct material, beginning raw material inventory, we have we don't have because we just started our business, and then we add with the purchase raw material 900,000 ringgit, less with the indirect material 100,000 ringgit, and minus with the ending raw material inventory 400,000 ringgit. And then we get and then the direct material use production is 400,000 ringgit. We add with the direct labor, which is 100,000 ringgit, and we also add with the manufacturing overhead applied, which is 150,000 ringgit, and we get the total manufacturing cost 650,000 ringgit. And then we add with the beginning work in process, but we don't have any because we just started our business. And then we less with the ending work in process 150,000 ringgit, we get the cost of good manufactured 500,000 ringgit. For the income statement, this is the income statement report for the month of January. So our sales revenue is 800,000 ringgit, and then we less with the cost of goods sold, which is beginning finished in goods inventory. We don't have because we just started our business. Plus with the cost of good manufactured 500,000 ringgit, less with the ending finished good inventory 50,000 ringgit, and then unadjusted cost of goods sold 450,000 ringgit, add with the over applied manufacturing overhead 75,000 ringgit, and then we get the 535,000 ringgit, and then sales revenue minus with the 525,000, we get the gross profit, which is 275,000 ringgit. We less with the all expense, which is selling expenses for 3,000 ringgit, brand name expense 5,000 ringgit, advertising expenses 10,000 ringgit, administrative expenses 35,000 ringgit, income taxes expense 10,000 ringgit, business card expenses 3,000 ringgit, insurance expense 7,000 ringgit, legal fees expense 5,000 ringgit, and interest expense 6,000 ringgit. And all of this expense is 121,000 ringgit, and gross profit minus with the all this expense, we get the net operating income, which is 154,000 ringgit. And then the next is balance sheet. This is the balance sheet report for the end month of January. For the asset, for the current asset, we have cash, which is 694,000 ringgit, and account receivable control 800,000 ringgit, raw material inventory 400,000 ringgit, finished good inventory 50,000 ringgit, work in process inventory 150,000 ringgit, and all of total current asset is 2,094,000 ringgit. And then for the office furniture, we have 10,000 ringgit, and machine equipment 300,000 ringgit, and computer hardware 25,000 ringgit. And for the factory building, we have 600,000 ringgit, we have 25,000 ringgit, and all of these asset, we have total asset 3,400,000. For the liabilities and stockholder security, current liabilities, we have account payable control 150,000 ringgit, total current liabilities is 150,000 ringgit. And then not payable term, if we add with the not payable long term, 2,300,000 ringgit. We get the total liabilities 2,450,000 ringgit. Stockholder security. For the stock, we have 2,000 ringgit. Additional paid in capital, we have 3,300,098 ringgit. Written earning, we have 154,000 ringgit. All of total stockholder security, we have 554,000 ringgit. And all of total liabilities and stockholder security, same with the total asset. The next.
Next is my name is Muhammad Hakim. So now I will explain for break-even analysis, which is part in managerial accounting. So for our sales price for one unit for our product is 2,250, and our fixed cost is 350,000, and our variable cost for one per unit is 1,200, and this will give contribution margin total 1,050, and the contribution margin ratio is 0.47. And the bottom of the table shows that we assume we sales the unit 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 700. So all of this will give different total in total variable cost and the total revenues. And the fixed costs are still the same at any level of units. So next slides, please. So next is cost volume profit graph. So this is our graph based on our analysis. So if you can see here is the bottom here is net loss, which means if we sell our units below our break-even units, we will get loss. And on the top here it says profit. If we sell our units more than our break-even units, it will give us profit to our company. Break-even computation. So for the units, for the units to get the break-even in units is total fixed cost divided by unit contribution margin. So for our total fixed cost is 350,000 divided by 1,050. So we get 330.33 units. So these numbers will be our break-even units. And then for the sales, to get break-even in sales is total fixed cost divided by contribution margin ratio. So for our total fixed cost is 300,000 divided by 0.67, 0.467. So we get 750,000. So for this number, this will be our total break-even sales. That's all from me.
So, okay, for the discussion, uh, we discovered that our company is profitable as predicted. As a result, based on our studies, this month of operation, we earned a total of 154,000 ringgit in net operating profits. And it has shown that we need a total of 750,000 in break-even sales to cover all production costs. And we have already achieved a total of 800,000 ringgit in sales revenue, demonstrating that we are working at a profitable level and enough to cover all of our expenses. and continue operating in our company in the future. We made the decision to enhance our marketing and promotion in order for our customers to accept our product, table, and chair as a high quality, low cost item. In addition, we will continue to make more unique architecture table and chair in design customization for the future to meet our customers' need. So that's all for us from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.